Hello and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about a specific knowledge base article which is related to SOLIDWORKS failing to start or experiencing any slow performance on a laptop when connected to a docking station. Now, this issue can arise in other workstations as well, where when you start SOLIDWORKS it'll show the splash screen, it'll show that it's verifying the license. However, the program does not fully open. This is indicative of a potential graphics issue, which is related to a May 2020 update for Windows 10, which pushed out a bad Intel driver. As the solution in the knowledge base explains here, this was due to that specific update. Now, this solution can be found in the knowledge base within the customer portal. You would just need a customer portal account to log in, so that would be using your SOLIDWORKS ID. Now the solution gives a little bit more information here into the specific driver version for the Intel driver that was giving the issue, and it provides a link to download the updated driver or the latest drivers to help rectify this issue. There are a couple of other suggestions in here specific to a laptop being connected to a docking station with the lid closed and SOLIDWORKS not working. So this information can be utilized to make sure that that works. In this case, typically what you would do is you start SOLIDWORKS with the laptop lid open and then close it. But we're going to focus on just the driver issue here today. Now, going to the website here, this is the download center from Intel.com for the specific driver version. This one was released back in December of 2020. However, there are later versions of this same driver available as well, which I'm going to be downloading and installing the latest Intel graphics driver for my machine here. Now, once you select that, it'll give you the option to choose an exe or a zip file to download. I'm just going to download the exe for ease of use and immediately run that once it's finished downloading. And it's a pretty simple process. It gives you a few windows here where you just need to click yes and next a few times, and then it goes through the actual setup progress for the Intel driver. Once it is installed, this may take a few minutes on your machine. It is going to request to restart your computer to finish the installation process. If you have any further questions, please contact us at the information below.